Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this very special Thursday morning video, it is the first day of November. Welcome to November, the traditional start of the second severe weather season. And here I am to update you on today's severe weather threat. We had a high temperature of 85 yesterday on Halloween, which is fuel for the fire. Showers and storms will be moving across the state today, and I'll update you on timing. The latest from the Storm Prediction Center on the threat level, how much rainfall could fall. What about the colder air coming in back behind this system? And we'll look ahead through the weekend forecast as well. Let's get started this morning. Glad you're here. Here is the setup in the middle of the night when I'm making your movie. Several watches and warnings right through Mississippi with the squall line in central Mississippi. The cold front is near the Mississippi River early this morning, but later today the front will move eastward, and I think by 1 o'clock the front will be on the Alabama-Mississippi line, but the squall line is well out to the east of it. So today the marginal risk of severe weather covers the entire state of Alabama, but notice the yellow area from Clanton southward, the so-called slight risk or stage 2. That's where the better chance of spin-up tornadoes will be as we go through the daytime hours today and into the afternoon hours today. This is the movement on future radar of the squall line as we go through the morning hours and into the early afternoon and then mid-afternoon and then into the early part of the evening as it progresses eastward. So for a lot of us, this will be a morning event. This is the one idea of where the squall line could be at 10 a.m. Notice it coming into the I-65 corridor, perhaps at 10 o'clock, and moving on east of Montgomery at the 11 o'clock hour, and that's where the most intense storms will be, right along the leading edge with this squall line producing severe thunderstorm damaging winds and the threat of tornadoes. 12:30 in the afternoon, perhaps into the eastern counties and moving into southeast Alabama. So the main threat will be damaging wind gusts 60 miles per hour or higher. There is a low-end tornado threat. There certainly have been several tornado warnings during the middle of the night. Locally heavy rainfall, a flash flooding threat, and the timetable generally through the morning hours and especially mid-morning through mid-afternoon for much of the area. Rainfall potential 1 inch perhaps across much of central and east central Alabama. A little heavier down in southwest Alabama where there could be over 2 inches. Showers and storms today will be locally severe. High temperature up to about 74. It's a windy day. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusting to 25. By tomorrow morning, the front has made it all the way down to almost Tallahassee with cooler, drier air funneling in back behind it. I think we only have a high of 63 tomorrow. Rain chances are tiny at 20%. And then a cold start on Saturday morning. I think we start in the low 40s and highs only in the upper 60s on Saturday, so a very fall-like day. And then a cool start with mid-40s on Sunday morning, but a nice afternoon warm-up. I think we get into the 70s. And here comes another frontal system on Monday with more showers and thunderstorms moving back into the area. And that will continue with the threat of more showers and storms as we get into the daytime hours Tuesday. So the fronts keep coming at us, and that's what frequently happens during the month of November, a time of change. On Wednesday, we're behind fronts and we're into cool sunshine. Wednesday should be a pretty nice day. The next few days, we're looking for 63 and breezy on Friday with a slight chance of a shower. Upper 60s Saturday after a morning low of 43 and 44 on Sunday morning. Nice warm-up Sunday afternoon. Chance of showers and thunderstorms returning on Monday and Tuesday as temperatures warm well up into the 70s. This is the next 10 days on the European. It shows the cold front moving through on Thursday with much cooler air back behind it. It shows another cold front by the middle of next week with much cooler air again for the latter part of the following week. This is the weekend we fall back. Set the clocks back 1 hour before you go to bed on Saturday night as we go back to standard time. So it is the time of the year when things are about to change. Our weather app is going to be your best friend today with advanced interactive radar, push notifications for severe weather alerts instantly wherever you are. Plus, you can watch our live stream. Get it on your phone or tablet now. Go to the App Store, search Rich Thomas Weather. So I will be live streaming during severe weather as we always do. When we live stream, there'll always be a picture up, and frequently there'll be audio as well, but sometimes I'll turn the mic down when I'm multitasking. but you'll either see the radar up or me on camera or the tower cam. But the live stream is easy to find on the web, on your computer. RichThomasWeatherNetwork.com is where you'll find the live stream. Also on YouTube, Rich Thomas Weather. Also on your weather app, just click on the YouTube tab and look for the live stream so you can find it right there on your phone. So if you have to go to your safe place, I'll be right there for you. Plus, CBS 8 and ABC 32 can cut away to me live in the Blue Water Weather Center anytime they want to. All right, so we'll be available that way as well. On the Blue Water family of stations across 8 radio stations, we will simulcast in certain warning situations, so I'll be on your radio. So we've got this covered for you everywhere you are, on every device you have, all right? And there'll be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. Stay weather aware today. Our weather app is going to be your best friend. I'll see you later.